Hi there, this is Dynamic Tammy, and I am here today to show you how you can utilize the Google Calendar for your business to help you organize your life in general. And I'm going to show you how to view the different views that they have with the Google Calendar. I'm going to show you how to create a new calendar, and I am going to show you how to add an event or an appointment per se on your calendar. So we're going to start here with the views. On Google you have different views, which is really nice because it is you can actually put this on your phone, so there's a mobile app for it, but I prefer the month. But you can actually go through here and do a week or daily. You can view it daily, and it is a neat feature here in Google Docs to be able to do that in Google Calendar. Also, what you see here are all of the calendars that I have, and currently I have my original calendar selected, and so what I am going to do is actually show you how to add an appointment onto your calendar. So we're going to, let's see here, go to April, actually we'll go to May, and we are going to click on the bottom plus sign here, and we're going to add a presentation, let's see here, of dynamic designs, and that is going to be, here's the date, so we're going to do that, let's say Friday the 27th. We're going to do that right at Dynamic Designs in Pulaski. We can add conferencing here for a Google Hangout if we want to, which gives you a code for the Google conference. And also, you can see here that this is the calendar that I want, or if I want to change the calendar to a marketing calendar, I can. But for now, I'm going to leave it on my calendar, and I can color code it. So, which is really nice. You can change the color of that, and then you can put your agenda or notes in here, which is a nice little, and you can also attach things too. So if I have a picture I want to attach, I can do that, or an agenda I want to attach, I can do that. And I'm going to add Bruce in here, and you can add anyone that you want. I'm going to add him in here. See here, and I'm going to change the time here. I'm going to make it 7:30 in the morning, and I'm going to click save, and it asks me here if I would like to send invitations to guests, and absolutely I am going to send him an invitation. So he is going to get that invitation and via email, and he can either say yes or no, he can attend or not. The last thing that I wanted to show you was how to create another calendar. So let's just say that you wanted to create a calendar for special events. And I'm going to put at Dynamic Designs. And I'm going to put in here educational events. And I'm going to create that calendar. So now I'll have a calendar strictly for events that we have here. You can notice down here it says calendar creation. Now it's updated, configured correctly. So we can come over here and you can see that we have a calendar for special events. What I also want to note on here is that you can make it available to the public. So if it's a calendar that anyone can view, you want to check this box right here. And actually I'm going to do that because it is going to be a calendar that I want anyone to view. And I'm also going to add Bruce and Jennifer to this. And I can have them either just view it, or I can have them make changes to the events or whatever I want to do. So also you'll notice here if you want to integrate a calendar into your website, there are different some codes here that you can grab and give to your webmaster, or you can add in yourself, but this is very important information here. So, and I'm going to add this into all of the calendars I see, and then I'm going to back up, and I will have this calendar right here. Anytime I want to take a look at that, I can view that calendar and look at all the special events that I have. So there you go, how to view your calendar, how to add events or appointments into your calendar, and how to share it, and how to make a new calendar. So anything else, check out our website at www.dynamicdesignspulaski.com.